everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a short video. It's going to be a healthy cherry almond oatmeal smoothie. So what are the ingredients that we're going to need? 3 tablespoons 1 minute oats, 1.5 cups frozen sweet cherries that are pitted, 1/3 cup plain Greek yogurt that's 0% fat, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/8 teaspoon almond extract, and a pinch of salt. So let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is put your 3 tablespoons of 1 minute oats in a bowl and add 1/4 cup hot water and mix it up. And then we'll go over to our blender and we'll add our oat mix. One and a half cup cherries, 1/3 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/8 almond extract, and a pinch of salt. And we put our lid on our blender, turn the power on, and then blend. And then you want to go ahead and serve this right away. I've never had a homemade smoothie before. And if you try this recipe and like it, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any other suggestions as to what to put in it, please let me know. I'm always interested in modifying a recipe. So let's try this. Oh, this is really, really good. But I'm very partial to cherries. You can have this for breakfast in the morning. It's quick enough to make. It's healthy for you. You can take it on the go, put it in a little to-go cup, and drink it on your way to work. You can have it for any meal supplement or as a snack. Cheers. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.